Vinfast is a brand new electric vehicle manufacturer from Vietnam coming to the North American marketplace. They've been selling vehicles in Vietnam since 2017, and they've decided to go fully electric, and they'll be coming to the Canadian market with 4 different models. We have the VF6, which is our subcompact. We have a VF7, which is our compact vehicle. VF8, which is an intermediary SUV, and the VF9, which is a 7-seater full-size SUV. We understand that Vinfast is a new company in Vietnam. It's the first time that they're coming out and manufacturing a vehicle, but it's important to know that the Vietnamese are very proud about the quality of their vehicles and the quality of their products. They take great pride in building high-quality products with great value. And I've been to Vietnam and I've seen the factories. These are some of the most state-of-the-art factories that we've ever seen in automotive. 90% of the vehicle manufacturing process is done by ABB, which is automatic robotics. So it is the most state-of-the-art facility that I've ever seen in all my years in the automotive industry. And I believe that the quality of the vehicles will speak for themselves. So best technology, lot of experience. They've partnered with some of the highest quality automotive partners across the world. So very high quality vehicles, a lot of automation, great technology, and customers will be able to see it firsthand pretty soon. In terms of technology, Vinfast will have the most advanced technology as all other EV competitors in the marketplace, whether it's remote parking or your lane keep assist, level 2 automation. When it comes to autonomous driving, they have really all the technology that you would expect in the highest level, highest quality, luxury type vehicles. Vinfast will be bringing that to the market. It's very interesting in terms of the design language for Vinfast. So the VF8 and VF9, which is our intermediary and our large SUV, they were designed by renowned Italian design house Pininfarina. So Pininfarina is very famous in terms of design, automotive design. So they really went with a very unique and beautiful design for our more compact vehicles, the VF6 and VF7. It is also done by an Italian design house called Torino Design. So really you'll see that in the design language, very sporty design language, that Italian design language, very beautifully done. So Vinfast went out and wanted to find the best design houses to make the most attractive products. So every Vinfast vehicle comes with 11 airbags in the vehicle. Also, the VF8 and VF9 are all-wheel drive vehicles. The VF7 will be optioned to have all-wheel drive, so we think it's very important for the Canadian marketplace. And again, all of the automation like lane keep assist or assist cruise control, those will all be available with Vinfast vehicles to ensure safety for everyone. Vinfast will have the most intuitive customer app out of any other automotive manufacturer. You'll be able to do everything through your app. The most important thing I think that Vinfast will have through the app is for our charging network. Vinfast will have the capability to basically manage all of your public charging needs through the app. So you won't have to download multiple different apps to go to different charging stations. With the Vinfast app, all charging, 90% of fast charging in Canada will be done through our app and a simple, easy payment gateway through our One Vinfast app. Vinfast has an industry-leading 10-year, 200,000 kilometer warranty on our manufacturer warranty on our vehicles. So this is an industry-leading warranty. It also comes with roadside assistance for 10 years as well. Everybody is excited about test drives and when that's going to happen for Vinfast. We're lucky that here at the Toronto Auto Show, you can come at the EV test track and actually test drive our VF8 right now. And on the roads, it will be happening soon. We're expecting late spring. You'll be able to test drive the vehicles at one of our Vinfast stores or service centers. Right now, online at vinfast.ca, you'll be able to place a reservation. It's a fully refundable reservation for VF8 or VF9, and that'll put you in line, a priority sequence to be able to place an order. We expect actual pre-orders to take place in the coming months. We are planning to see our first deliveries of our VF8 vehicles, likely happening in the early summer this year. and we expect our VF9 or larger SUV to probably be late summer and maybe early fall. And then our VF6, VF7, we're expecting it to take place early 2024. For the charging infrastructure, Vinfast has 90% of the fast charging market in Canada. We have big charging aggregators such as ChargeHub as well as Flow. So essentially, most of the public charging networks across Canada and fast charging networks are part of the Vinfast public charging infrastructure. So most public charging stations will work with the Vinfast vehicle. It has a standard CVVS charging, public charging outlet. So we'll be working with most charging structures. Again, we're partnering with 90% of the charging aggregators. Our vehicles and our app will tell you which charging stations you'll be able to go to. In terms of fast charging, with a DC fast charge, typically between 28 and 32 minutes, you'll be able to go within 10 to 70% on both the VF8 and VF9. There is, in terms of battery life, it's the same as, an iPhone perhaps is most common, or a phone. It depends on your usage and how you're charging it, but we expect our batteries are very long life batteries, and they'll last you for quite the long duration of the vehicle. There's no exact answer as to how long the battery life would be, but they've been tested and it's extremely long life batteries. So Vinfast is opening up our service centers all across Canada. Currently in Ontario, we already have service centers open in Mississauga. We have a service center open in Oakville, and we have another service center that's open in Guelph in Ontario right now. So if you need service, those service centers are actually open for business. They'll be open for servicing once our vehicles are delivered. Vinfast is also offering mobile service, which means that we can actually come to your place of business or come to your house and do many repairs while you're in the comfort of your own home, and you don't even have to go anywhere. We'd like to welcome everybody to come to the Toronto Auto Show. It's very exciting for Vinfast. It's the first time we're at the Toronto Auto Show. We have 4 models here for everyone to see. You can come and sit in our VF9 and our VF8. You can also test drive our VF8 at the test track, so I'd really invite you to come and check it out. Seeing is believing. You'll be able to feel the quality of the vehicle and drive the vehicle. We're also taking reservations here at the Auto Show. So if you're interested in the vehicle, we're offering reservations for our VF8 and VF9. It's $250, and that is a risk-free reservation. If you ever decide, you can get your money back guaranteed on that reservation. But we certainly recommend you to come down, take a look at our vehicles, test drive our vehicles, and reserve the vehicles while you still can.